Hello viewers, this is going to be take 3 on this one because take 1 and take 2 got interrupted by a water freak show, which is still going on, so if you hear some water dripping in the background, just ignore it. Anyways, this is a Lakewood 1200 DX oscillating fan, and this is an example of one of the rare occasions where an older fan of enough substance to be worth getting made an appearance at the Goodwill. I think I paid $8 for this, maybe $5, I don't remember, but it was a good deal. And this particular model, or this instance rather, is in remarkably good condition. I do have the 16-inch flavor, which is model 1600 DX, and that one is a little bit more common condition, if you will, where the grills are starting to deteriorate and the bases are yellowing and such. This one, although it's very dirty, does not appear to have deteriorated at all whatsoever. These grills, and I can show this at a later date. I don't know, where the fan is right now, but the other one I have exhibits the common issue of the grills deteriorating. They kind of turn into like a powdery substance and they almost just disintegrate when you touch it. This one is still near perfect, really. This should clean up really well. I'm not sure how in the world this has survived over the years. I mean, even if you use these in a sunny bedroom for one season, that would be ruined. So and this was definitely used quite a bit. You can see how much dust is on there. So I'm not sure what kind of a use case this was in. Certainly wasn't necessarily a clean one, but it was free of UV rays and free of excessive heat somehow. So anyways, these were not the greatest fans in terms of quality and performance. It's an all plastic fan, so it was designed to be more of a budget orientated type thing. And the 1600 one, the performance is very disappointing. It's quite noisy and doesn't move a whole lot of air. I imagine it's mostly because the guard is really thick. This is better, the guard is a little bit thinner, so it may let some more air through. Anyways, let's go ahead and plug this thing up. Excuse me. And we'll show the informations, which are showing up so well onto the video. It's nearly invisible. .9 amps. 196M. I don't know if that's some kind of a date code. I believe these have date codes on the motors, so when we open it up, we'll be able to tell for sure when this was manufactured. But I believe this would date back sometime into the 90s. So let's go ahead and crank it up and see if it works. I will disengage the oscillator for now. We'll start up on low. The bearings are going to be really dry. Yeah, I'm not going to run it like that. Medium, high. Yeah, the bearings are pretty stiff. Let's see if it oscillates. Yeah, it does work. I don't want to run it like that. It doesn't sound too good, and it's not good for the bearings. So it does work. I suspect this will clean up really nicely. So we have a video on that. Who knows when, at some point.